Okoko, okoko, panoni, okoko, ndatura, okoko.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the mealie-meal we're going to be using today to make porridge REZVIYO. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like if it's in the tin, but I'm going to make some porridge from back home. We call it porridge REZVIYO, and in English it's probably like a brown millie-meal or millet, and instead of the white one that we use to make sada or that you use to make normal porridge, this is probably like a healthier option. Obviously, you know, the whole grains movement, you can do that with this as well. You can make sada with this and loads of other stuff. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we use it. I've got more of this. It's just more of it is in the box that we keep it in. So I will show you guys how it looks, but right now this is how it looks. It says Super Mabella. The different obviously packaging for these, but it's pure grain sorghum fine mabella meal, so it's pure grain sorghum. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today, and hopefully it comes out well. I used to never like this porridge as well. I used to hate it because probably I didn't add enough sweeteners or additives, and I think I only had it with lemon as well, and obviously that was healthy, but it's just like no. You know, some of the whole grain foods that are there, you need to really add stuff in there, or like brown rice, because it's really yucky when it's not like fully well seasoned or fully like sweetened. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be making today. So hopefully this comes out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So on the left is the brown millet, and on the right is the normal mealie-meal that you use. So today's tutorial is gonna talk about the REZVIYO or the brown millet. So I've just added a little bit into a pot and then added with cold water to mix up. This is my first time making this as well, guys, with REZVIYO or with brown millet, so bear with me if it's not to your standard. But we all learn as well. Even though I'm a chef already, some of these dishes I usually prefer when mom makes them. So as you can see, I just keep adding hot water, boiling water, and leaving it to simmer. You need to be really careful and mix this quickly because it can easily get lumps in it. And then I just added some light brown sugar and some peanut butter. Like I said, I don't really like the porridge if it doesn't have any additives, so I'm just gonna squash out any lumps in the porridge, and then I'm just gonna leave it to simmer for a little bit. And then leaving it to simmer is a big deal, guys, so make sure you do that. And that's that porridge done. I'm gonna move on to the white one, which is the normal one, and I'm just going to do the same method I did in the start, and then add lepak, I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's how I pronounce it, butter, and some caster sugar or just granulated sugar for taste. So I'm gonna do it, since I added peanut butter in the other one, I added milk and some butter in the normal one, just to show you guys like it's not just peanut butter you can put, because I went to boarding school and this is what I would like to put besides peanut butter in my white porridge. So again, it's the same method. You leave it to simmer and make sure you mix it in properly and squash out any lumps that you might find in it. And then as you can see, I'm just adding more milk because it wasn't milky or it didn't have enough taste. So that's it, guys, for this video. I'm just gonna let the music play over this, and I'll let you guys watch me plate this stuff. And also I took time taking pictures of the actual dish, and then the porridge formed the skin on the top. So this is quite normal. If you don't eat your porridge immediately, it's gonna form a skin at the top. And also I put the porridge on the sides of the plate. You'll see later on when I finish taking pictures that it's going to be spread out, and we used to do this in order for the porridge to cool down quickly. So if you're a real one, you would know why the porridge is put on the sides of the plate. And as you can see, the skin I was talking about is right there on top, but it's all okay. What you can do is add a bit of milk and then put it in the microwave and then just mix it in. It's not that serious if it's your own porridge, so just try to eat it immediately. If not, if it does this, just add a form of liquid, microwave, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, guys, I had forgotten, if you don't know about the crust of the porridge, I don't know for you, because if you went boarding, you'd know about this. Even if you didn't go boarding, you'll see at the end of the video when I'm dancing that goko is live. The crust is where it's at. So like, get to know about the goko, you get me? See you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bend down like that. Yeah. Yeah. I'm tired. Kulena gogwa maziva naizozo kakamera ichitambira mduze kuzuma beduwe ichichakanyanya amusati mationa mainini tikiri chekwedu kwetini mainini amusati mationa kama tatira kufara ichichakanyanya mainini amusati mationa kani nuri nakufara